Hey there guys, what's up? This is me, Fierce Pause, and I just want to say thanks. Thanks for letting me be in the pack, the ember pack. And so I'm at school right now. It's at the end of the day. All that, all that. There's a kid over there. And so I'll show you all the stuff I have here, such as all that. Okay, I'm gonna show you something here. Yep, that was them practicing for this stuff. And so, hang on. Let me go over here and get my backpack. It's not a fast place here once you get to know it, but there's a whole lot of people who kind of don't like the Therians. Yeah, they're Therian hunters. But I'm careful. I'm strong. I'm pretty dang strong. So, okay. Here's my backpack. Get me, found it, and here we go. I'll show you my entire school, everything about it. We are the Cavalry. We are the Cavalry Medlin Knights, as you can see, right there, there. I mean, it's not a bad place at all. It's just, I just wish everyone would just love me. But no, that's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen to me. No, it's never gonna happen to me. Okay, here's the main hallway. Is those people. I'll show you everything that I have here. We have our gym workout session. Nice job, boys. Working up a sweat. We have our daycare center for people when they have babies and all that. Here's our special ed. Everything about that as special ed. And here's another special ed class. Then here's our hallways. We're about to split up here soon, so yeah. Okay. We're about to oh, look at this. Check it out. Awesome. And here's there's the seniors hallway, some of them. We have to the section G, take stairs, section C. Here's the computers, I think. There's some of the offices. Here's all the people, old ones now, they're pretty old, who are old now. They are old now. I just want to say thanks for letting me be in the pack. It really means a lot to me. So we're gonna keep on going here. This is section C again, but this is freshman teachers, everything. So now I will take you down to my everyday life. Every day, but about to be on winter break. Yay! But we got finals. So yeah, that sucks. Everything about it. I hate it. There's one of our teachers. Here's the janitor that cleans up for us. This is really nice. And here's the hallway. There's the stairway. I'm not gonna go up there anyway. Stairway. Here's my classroom. One of my classrooms. I'm trying not to make this long. Here's another one. That's not mine. Here's this one. You can kind of see everything. Okay. Now we're moving on to a different section of the school. And yes, we got cameras everywhere taking our selfies. But really, I love being in the pack. Here's this way. Here's this hallway. This is this is actually my first time being down this hallway, really. It is. Those are Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Yeah, we have S.H.I.E.L.D. Most of the time, it goes by really fast. But, I don't care, really. Yeah, some of our Spanish class, Japanese, and language arts. Most of everything that you need. Here's the stairways, again, different types. Then we have all these. We have this. We have that. Bro. Really dang cool. And so, yeah. Oh, here's one of our teachers now. Here's one of our teachers. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to cut this short, so see you all again and respect the pack.